Imagine a fire erupting in your building. The flames rage, but you have a secret weapon, a fire tank. But what if it fails? Don't let that happen. Choose ATM Tanks for your next fire tank inspection. Fire tanks aren't just metal boxes. They are complex systems protecting your life. Don't settle for amateurs. ATM Tanks has over 15 years of experience, ensuring every inspection is thorough and precise. We go beyond surface checks, guaranteeing your tank works when you need it most. Time is of the essence. At ATM Tanks, we are quick. Need a new tank? We can fabricate one in just 3 weeks. Quote turnaround: 24 hours after inspection. We are confident in our work, offering warranties and completing repairs in as little as a week. Don't trust your safety to just anyone. ATM Tanks is Australia's premier tank company, with hundreds of satisfied clients across the country. We have the paperwork and certifications to prove our expertise. Our team operates legally and ethically, meeting the highest standards. Fire tank inspections in Melbourne deserve more than a once-over. We offer a variety of services, from tank cleaning and liner maintenance to panel repairs, both inside and out. We recommend only what's truly needed, not just for show. The choice is yours, but we are here to help. Ready to transform your tank into a powerhouse? Contact us today. Dial us at 1-800-422-444 and let ATM Tanks be the hero your tank deserves. Because when it comes to tank care, we are not just experienced, we are legendary.